Lua's looking to refresh her style by lightening up the front and keeping the length in the back. She loves how her natural curls fall, so we're working with the texture to bring out the best in her hair. Focusing on keeping the right length between her eyebrows, as that's the centre of the frame for her eyes. From there, I'll gradually get longer towards the back to blend seamlessly into the existing lengths. To shape the eye frame to curve around Lua's cheekbones, I'm making sure the lengths get a little longer towards the recession area. The length around her ears from the last cut still works beautifully, so I'm blending from the top into that area, getting a bit longer towards the back for the fluid feel we're aiming for. In the back, the lengths are getting longer towards the bottom to maintain the length. Keeping everything balanced and even in weight from side to side will maintain the texture and movement that we want. I'm using a razor to soften the ends a little bit. I love this technique for textured hair. It's just a light touch to keep things natural. I'm working visually and only in the areas that need to be softened for a more effortless feel. For the final touches, I'm shortening the centre around the eyes to add a touch of scruffiness and really open up Lua's eye area. Using cover clips along the front for a flatter finish and a diffuser to keep the drying process as natural as possible. A little dry wax spray adds definition to the finished look, and you can really see the difference. It's so much softer, more texture, and perfectly frames Lua's face, highlighting her natural beauty.
We're going to say like, subscribe,
Like,
share, comment and subscribe.
why don't you come in, show us how it's done, like both of you.
That's a really good
and then
idea.
we'll come back and then we'll replicate.
That is such a good idea.